Question number 6. Draw an angle of measure 45 degree and bisect it. So we have to first draw angle of 45 degree with divider and compasses and bisect this angle. Steps of construction. A. Draw a line PQ and take a point O on it. So students, let us draw line PQ. So here we have drawn one line PQ. Let us label name P and Q. Taking O as center and convenient radius, draw an arc which intersects PQ at 2 points A and B. So we have drawn a line PQ and take a point O on it. Taking O as a center, let us draw an arc with any convenient radius. So we have drawn an arc with any convenient radius and we have to label name A and B of these two arcs which join on point PQ. Now next step. Taking A and B as center, radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs which intersect each other at C. Taking B as a center, let us draw one arc. So here with B as a center, we have drawn one arc. Taking A as a center, let us draw another arc. Now this intersecting point we have to label as C. Let us join OC. So here this is the point of intersecting point and this is point of OC. So student, angle COQ is 90 degree. Why we have drawn 90 degree angle first? Because we have to bisect 90 degree and then we will get 45 degree. And then again we have to bisect 45 degree because it is asked in the question that construct 45 degree and bisect it. So first of all we have drawn 90 degree angle. Now let us bisect this angle. Draw line segment OE as the bisector of angle COE and thus that angle QOE is 45 degree. So students, what we have to do to get 45 degree? We have to bisect this angle COQ. So here what is bisector? First of all this center and this center, B and this center. This is the distance. Let us take more than half radius and let us take B as a center and let us mark it one arc. Let us take this center and let us mark another arc. Now this intersecting point let us label as E. Next step is that we have to join this OE. So this is the center point and this is the point of E. Let us join OE. So what can you see from this figure? That angle QOE, this angle, this much is 45 degree. Hence this angle is 45 degree. Now what is asked in the question? We have to bisect more from this 45 degree because after constructing 45 we have to bisect it. Let us see next step. Draw again OG as bisector of angle QOE. So student, here now we want to bisect 45 degree, means we will take this distance and we will take here these two distance. And we have to take more than half of this radius because this is 45 degree bisector. So we have taken more than half of this radius. Now with the B as a center, let us mark another arc. And with this center, let us mark this arc. Now this intersecting point we have to label as G. So we have labeled this intersecting point as G. Now let us join this OG. So this is the center point of G and this is center point of O. So if we join this OG, so this angle is bisector of 45 degree, that is 22.5 degree. Half of 45 is 22.5 degree. So let us see again last step. Again draw OG as a bisector of angle QOE and thus angle QOG equals to angle EOG is 22.5 degree. Why 22.5 degree? Because for half of 45 is 22.5. Question number 7. Draw an angle of measure 135 degree and bisect it. So first of all students, we have to draw an angle of measure 135 degree. So let us draw along with steps of construction. Solution. Steps of construction. A. Draw a line PQ and take a point O on it. So students, first of all, let us draw a line PQ. So here we will draw a line P and Q. Take a point O on it. So we have taken a point O on it. Taking O as a center and convenient radius, mark an arc which intersect PQ at A and B. So students, taking O as a center, let us mark an arc that intersect on PQ. So here we have taken O as a center and let us mark an arc that intersect PQ. And we have to label this intersecting point as A and B. Now let us see next step. Taking A and B as a center and radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs intersecting each other at R. So here we have to take A and B as a center and let us take more than half radius. So students, here we will take, this is the distance of AB. Now more than half radius is this. Now take A as a center, let us mark one arc. Take B as a center, let us mark another arc. And students, this intersecting point we have to mark as R. Students, we have to join OR. Let us join OR. This is the point of R and this is point of O. So we have joined OR. So angle POR, angle POR and angle QOR is equals to 90 degree. Join OR, thus angle QOR equals to POR equals to 90 degree. Now next step is draw OD, the bisector of angle POR. So which angle we have to bisect? We have to bisect this angle POR, means we will bisect from this point and this point. And so that whole entire angle will get 135. So first of all, let us take the distance from these two with the divider. We have to take more than half radius. Taking A as a center, let us mark one arc. Taking here the center, let us mark another arc. Now what is the next step of bisector? We have to join this intersecting arc, let us take as D. Join this with D and O, or let us join OD. So we have joined OD. Now student, this is the bisector of POR. But entire angle you can focus QOD. This entire angle is 135 degree. Still we have construct 135 degree, but in question it is also asked to bisect 135 degree. So let us bisect 135 degree. So to bisect 135 degree, with two steps we have to take. We have to take this arc and here this arc. Why? Because this entire angle is 135 degree. So we will take distance of these two arc. Let us take more than half radius. With B as a center, we will mark one arc, and here with this center, we will mark another arc. Now we have to join this OE. O, let us take this intersecting point as E. OE. So this OE is a bisecting of this angle QOD. Let us see last step. Now draw line segment OE. So we have drawn that as the bisector of angle QOD. Thus QOE equals to DOE is 67.5 degree. Why 67.5 degree? Because half of 135 is 67.5 degree.